This is going to be a tutorial on how to view the weather, in particular the weather as shown by a radar image, in any location in the United States. You start by going to a website called Weather Underground, and here is the link. And when Weather Underground opens up, you will see a mini page of the weather in some location. Mine happens to open up to Kailua Kona in Hawaii, which is not the Kailua that I'm in. I have saved the Kailua location for the one where I spend some of my time, and I've also saved San Diego where I've saved some of my time. Let's just go to San Diego, which I can do by clicking that link. And when San Diego opens up, you will see a summary of the weather, the temperature, what the wind is right now, 0. By the way, today is September 18th, 2018. And it shows you the weather forecast for tonight, how likely it is to rain, what the forecast is for tomorrow and tomorrow night. And you can go up here to the 10-day link, and then you would get stretched across here predictions for the next 10 days of the weather. But what we're particularly interested in is what the radar is showing for what's going on in San Diego. To get that, you come over here to where it says NEXRAD, and you click there. And when that opens up, you will see a radar image of San Diego right now. Well, there is not anything very interesting going on the radar in San Diego. All of this stuff is just a general spatter radar return, nothing significant in rain showing. What we want to do is go down here to U.S. radar stations and go through some of the states where I happen to know that there is something going on. I want to go here to Kansas City. And have a look at that. Now, when you get here, you can see that there is some significant weather going on to the north of Kansas City. The way to see just what's going on is to come up here and start the history. You see, this particular shot was taken at about 10 after 9 local time. It's now a little after 10. And if I click here, you will see the last half hour of the radar images out of Kansas City, Missouri. That is an example of what you can see. It so happens that there isn't very much weather going on when I decided to make this this particular video. I got to thinking that this would be interesting to you after I spent a week watching Hurricane and later Tropical Storm Florence batter North Carolina. And let me just show you one of those one of those images that someone saved. Here is what Hurricane Florence looked like the day that it made landfall on North Carolina. So if you have a friend or a relative where there's serious weather going on and you want to see just what is going on there, you can follow the guidance in this tutorial to go to practically any place in the United States and have a good look at the weather radar image of that spot. Have fun. Here, a couple of days later, is a much more active picture of what's going on in the San Antonio, Austin, Texas area. Serious weather moving up there from the Gulf of Mexico.